Zephaniah cried in a city grown cold, hearts full of idols, faith bought and sold. Judah was drifting in the shadow of sin, calling out peace while the dark closed in.
Be silent now, the day is near, a holy one and ringing clear. Not just one nation, not just one throne, the judge of the earth was calling his own. When the trumpet sounds and the proud hearts shake, no mask will stand, no lie will escape. But the humble who seek him, the lowly who pray, will find their refuge in the Lord that day. On the day of the Lord, let my heart return through the fire of mercy. Let the idols burn. You are righteous, you are holy. You restore what's torn. From the ashes of repentance, hope is born. On the day of the Lord, let the nations sing. Purify our voices, make us worship Him. Shoulder to shoulder, calling on your name. You redeem the broken and remove our shame.
The streets were loud, but the spirit was dry. People walked blind with a worshiping lie. Justice was weakened, truth pushed aside. But God saw the ruin, they tried to hide. He called them back from their wandering way. Seek the Lord now, don't wait another day. The meek and the humble, the ones who been low, will find a shelter when the harsh winds blow. Yeah, this is a warning, but it's wrapped in grace. Not the end of the story, not a closed door case. Cause judgment in His hands is never wild or thin. It cuts down evil, so new life can begin. He purifies lips, He gathers the lands, builds one song of worship from scattered hands. Not divided forever, not lost in the night. Jesus makes the nation stand in His light. Yeah. Then the vision opened wider than fear, a future where the peoples draw near. Purified lips and the heart made new, serving together in the worship true. Side by side with one accord, calling forever on the name of the Lord. What once was broken, what once was far, will shine together beneath His star.
So search me, Lord, where idols we made, where pride still lives, where love has grown faint. Teach me surrender, make my spirit clean. Hide me in mercy, washed and redeemed. On the day of the Lord, let my heart return through the fire of mercy. Let the idols burn. You are righteous, you are holy. You restore what's torn. From the ashes of repentance, hope is born. On the day of the Lord, let the nations sing. Purify our voices, make us worship Him. Shoulder to shoulder, calling on your name. You redeem the broken and remove our shame. Zephaniah's voice still echoes in our day. Turn back now, don't drift away. For the Lord who judges is the Lord who saves. He restores the humble, He is strong and brave. From silent fear to a holy song, in His mercy we are made strong.